Hello guys, today we see LeetCode daily problem 2438 range product query of powers. So let's start it. Here you can see this is the LeetCode daily problem, medium problem, and here given input n is equal to 15 and query, and here the output is 2464 like that. So here you can see for n is equal to 15, power is equal to 1, 2 means 1 is 2 to the power 0, 2 is 2 to the power 1, 4 is 2 to the power 2, 8 is 2 to the power 3. It can be so in the power of a smaller size. So here you can see power of 0 means 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1 into power of 1 is 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Similarly, second query, power of 2 is equal to 4. And the third query, power of 0 into power of 1 into power of 2 into power of 3 means 2 to the power 0, 1 into 2 to the power 1, 2 into 2 to the power 2, 4 into 2 to the power 3, 8. So 1 into 2 into 4 into 8 is equal to 64. Then each answer modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7 nil, and it is got like 2, 4, 64 like that. So let's start it. First, what we do? We write here globally one mod, and we initialize 30 int start, make it final int mod is equal to 1 0 triple 0 and 007. This is initially initialize the mod. So first we what we do, we use the optimization approach and solve this. So let's start it. First we get the bit positions present in n means power of 2. Get the bit position present in the n means power of 2. So let's start it. First we initialize an array list. So list integer integer exponent is equal to new array list, new array list. Now what we do, we iterate the for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than 31, I plus plus. Why here I go till 31? Because in constant if you see, it is start from 1 and go till 10 to the power 9. So if we write 2 to the power 31, then it should be go to this 10 to the power 9. Okay, then we write one condition if n and 1 less than I. This is also known as 2 to the power I is equal to, this is also known as I is equal to 2 means I power I is equal to I into 2 like that. We can also write it like this. It is not equal to 0, then what we do, simply call in the list dot add the I, particular I we add in the list. So this one is completed. Then we build the prefix sum exponent. Build the exponents. So for that we create an prefix array int equal to new int here what we give this exponent dot size. What is the list array list? We give the length of the array list. Now what we do? We uh, initialize the zeroth index to array list zero index. Means exponent prefix of a 0 is equal to exponents dot get zeroth index. Whatever we get in the zeroth index, we store into the prefix. Then what we do? We iterate for loop I is equal to 1 I less than exponent dot size, then I plus plus simply, and what we do, whatever we got we store in prefix of I. Prefix of I is equal to prefix of I minus 1 plus exponents dot get current I. Now what we do, we process query in order of 1. So let's start process query. So for that what we do, we initialize the queue, means query length. First we store the length of the query in queue, and we initialize an array. So let's start queue is equal to queries. uh, what is the query? This is the query given in the 2D array. Queries dot length, similarly int answer is equal to new and int, and here what we pass, the queue length of the query, and we iterate for loop I is equal to 0 I less than q is the length of the 2D array, and I plus plus simply int l is equal to what is the query dot uh, it is 2D array, so what is the particular element that we pass. So for that we pass the I comma 0 comma r is equal to, this is for left one, this is r is equal to means right one, queries of I, okay, then int sum is equal to prefix of r minus, here we can check one condition, if l greater than 0 then prefix l minus 1 else 0, and what we do, answer of I is equal to, here we convert to int, then mod power, this is here we create one function, that mod power, here we pass 2 and sum and mod, and simply return the answer. Now we create this method, for that for exponents. So private long mod power, here we pass the long like a, then another long b, and long mod. So first what we do, long store result is equal to 1. Then here we check the using while condition. If b greater than 0, if b and 1 not equal to 0, then what we do, result is equal to result into a, and simply mod the modulus, or else a is equal to a into a and mod. Then what we do, b greater than equal to 1, simply return result, return. Let's run this, is let's see if we got any error. Yeah, we got any error and we fix this error. Okay, static. Then another one is expected, line number 24, int some prefix. Okay, this is the if L greater than 0, sum is equal to, okay, int L is equal to queries comma r queries, then int error expected. Okay, sum is equal to prefix of r minus, if L greater than 0, then here it is condition, so we give like this, prefix of L minus 1 is equal to, if L greater than 0, then prefix of L minus 1, otherwise it is return 0. Okay, let's run again, let's see another. Okay, static um static final int mode. Let one do one thing, static int mode. Okay, let's run again. Oh sorry, stat. Okay, now run. Let's here we run this again and see. Here static should be start from small s, so let's fix this. Okay, static. Okay, yeah, here it is, should be small s, and this is ql queries 0, then this is r1 is 1, it should be 1. Just let's run this again. Yeah, it is run successfully. Let's submit this. Let's see. Yeah, it is working fine. It is submit successful. It is working fine. That's all. Thank you.